In the previous lesson, we have made simple rectangle using the basic line tool, Cartesian coordinate system, and also we have used the data distance entry method and the relative coordinate system as well. So we have made rectangle using different type of systems. Now there is one more method which is known as polar coordinate method. We can use this method as well to make the same rectangle. So in this lesson we will discuss about making lines which are inclined to certain angle with reference to certain lines that are called polar coordinates. So let's just say that we want to make a simple line which is inclined at an angle of 45 degree with a length of 50 units. So there are a couple of methods for doing this as well, like the method we have used in previous lesson. We will here use the simple polar coordinate method. Let's start the line again. So as I told you that we need to make a line that is inclined at an angle of 45 degree and have length of 50 units. So let's just specify the first point out here. For angle, you need to type angle 45 degree. Now as you can see, the line is inclined to an angle of 45 degree with respect to x-axis, with respect to this axis, which is also known as x-axis or east direction. You might have remembered that by default east direction is set as base angle and the angle is always measured in anticlockwise direction by default. So let's do this again. Just hit the command L for line and press enter. Specify any point on the screen. Now to type the angle, you need to type less than symbol which is beside the key M and press the desired angle 45 and press enter. So this line is restricted to 45 degree with respect to this direction, east-west direction. Now enter the desired length of this line, which is 50 units, and press enter. So here is the line with 45 degree and 50 units of length. So there is another method to draw this line in a different way. To draw this line, we have entered the command in two methods. First of all, we have entered the angle and then we have entered the length of the line. So in this command, in this new command, we can directly give command to the line in one command, and the command goes like this. Click the line button, press anywhere to specify the first point, and here you need to type @ You might have remembered @ sign is used for relative coordinate system. First type @ sign and type the length, then the less than sign or angle sign and the desired angle and press enter. So What this second command basically does is it adds a relative coordinate system. So the normal syntax of this command is @length flying angle sign and then value. So in this way we can use both method for making line, although the second method is a bit intimidating for you to follow for now, but you will find it a lot easier when you become comfortable with the command. So if you want to draw a rectangle or anything, you can follow this command. So for now, let's make a few more lines. So I'll go back to the line link and click at any point here. So I will make another line which is inclined at an angle of 25 degree. So let's type the command, the second command, that's the latest command, @25 degree, length of 50 units and an angle of 25 degree. So let's make another line with the same starting point but inclined at an angle of -25 degree or 335 degree. So I will go to the line link back, press the starting point same as that of the previous line, and I will type the length is 50 tab and the angle is -25. Press enter. This time this line is inclined at an angle of -25 degree or 335 degree anti-clockwise to the x-axis. Please do note, you can construct or draw this line by using the same method but varying the angle included between the line. So let me draw a line first. Let me specify the first point as here. The command goes as @50 meter. Let me pick up the anti-clockwise direction, which is 335. So here it goes. Both the lines have same inclination, but I have constructed them applying different degrees. So this was all about using different distance entry methods in AutoCAD and making line aligned with them. And from the next session we will start some of the other geometries in AutoCAD.